Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by activating the essentials, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open Control Center, tap Airdrop and pick contacts only or everyone depending on who you expect. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and awake. Locked screens can block discovery. While you do this, confirm the recipient's device is nearby and visible. Once done, go to the app holding the file. You'll see the share icon. Tap it now to reveal airdrop targets, because visibility is the only way the transfer can start. You've opened the item to share, so tap Share and scan the airdrop row for nearby devices. When the recipient's icon appears, tap it. That action requests permission on their end. If you're sending multiple items, group them first to reduce repeated prompts. Make sure both devices stay within a few meters. Walls and interference slow transfers. Once the recipient accepts, watch the progress indicator. If it stalls, cancel and try sending a single file to diagnose the issue. When a transfer request appears, you tap Accept to allow the file onto your iPhone. Images land in Photos, Documents in Files, and links open in Safari. Once complete, confirm the item works. If something goes wrong, first toggle AirDrop, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi off and on, then retry. If discovery issues persist, switch AirDrop to everyone briefly, then revert for privacy. As a final step, restart both devices and check for iOS updates. Many connectivity quirks are...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.